Alright, in this course, first we are going to create a language translation app. This app enables to translate any language into the language that you interested in. After that, we are going to create an application that enables to extract audio from the video. After that, you are going to create your own video downloader app using Python. Simply copy any YouTube video link and paste right here and then click download now button right here. It automatically downloads any YouTube video for free. This application enables you to download any YouTube video for free. And then we are going to create an animation using Turtle in Python. After that, you are going to create your own digital clock. And then you are going to create an application that converts any text into a speech. So you can create your own audiobook. And then we will create a spelling checker and corrector app. As you can see here, input any word right here and then click the correction button right here. It automatically gives you the correct word right here. That's it. And clear all, here we have. After that, we are going to create an internet speed tester app using Python. Over here, write any URL right here. Let me say www.google.com and check speed here. It gives you the ping result and the download result. So we will create this internet speed tester app using Python, and then we are going to create a calculator that enables us to perform basic arithmetic operation like multiplication, division, subtraction, and addition. And then after that, we are going to create a Python program to count the number of vowels in a sentence. And then after that, we are going to create a program that enables to get a phone number information using Python. And then we are going to create barcode using Python programming right here. After that, we are going to automate Google search using Python, and then we are going to create an age calculator app using Python just like this. Enter your name and enter your birth date, and then click this button. It automatically gives you your age right here. And then you are going to create your own calendar using Python programming right here. Here we have a calendar app, so you will have your own calendar just like this. So what are you waiting for? Click here and enroll today. The best way of learning Python programming is by practicing and by doing different real-world projects just like this. After that, you can master Python in a short period of time. Don't try to learn Python without doing project. It's boring, right? You have to learn Python by doing different real-world projects just like this one. That's why I prepared this course for you. I'm very excited to see you inside. So enroll today. Thank you for watching.